Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12. Audio mic is not working. Let's get started.
Hello. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello. No sound.
Disassembling the phone. Removing cameras. Removing necessary screws. Removing motherboard. Removing lower side parts. This is the new USB flex. Installing it. Assembling the phone.
Hello. رد باشه. Hello. 1 2 3.
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.